Axxela Research and Analytics Pty Limited stands as a prominent player in the financial services sector, specializing in research and analytics with a distinct focus on financial and commodity derivatives. With its operations deeply rooted in the analysis of international financial markets like Nasdaq and Dow, Axxela is dedicated to providing insightful research that empowers investors to make informed decisions. The company's core mission revolves around harnessing data to navigate the complexities of financial markets, ensuring that their clients are equipped with the necessary insights to optimize their investment strategies. At the heart of Axxela's operations is a commitment to rigorous research methodologies. The company employs a blend of qualitative and quantitative approaches to gather and analyze data. This encompasses everything from scrutinizing financial statements to identifying market trends, all aimed at uncovering profitable opportunities while effectively managing risks. The research process at Axxela is multifaceted, involving market research to understand consumer behavior, financial analysis to evaluate the health of companies, and risk analysis to identify and mitigate potential financial pitfalls. Furthermore, the company leverages advanced data analytics techniques, including big data, machine learning, and sentiment analysis, to drive investment research and support critical decision-making processes. Axxela's focus on quantitative research is particularly noteworthy. The firm develops sophisticated mathematical models that predict market behavior, utilizing statistical modeling and algorithmic trading strategies. This comprehensive approach not only enhances the accuracy of their forecasts, but also positions Axxela as a thought leader in the realm of financial analytics. As Axxela prepares to participate in the ICAI campus placement for 2024, it becomes essential for aspiring candidates to understand the nuances of the company and the expectations during the interview process. As we delve into the interview preparation, it's crucial to recognize that Axxela seeks candidates who possess a robust understanding of financial derivatives, market analysis, and risk management. To aid in your preparation, we will explore some common interview questions that may arise, along with effective strategies for answering them. For those interested in enhancing their personal interview skills and financial planning and analysis knowledge, be sure to check out the dedicated videos on our Finance Kita channel that focus on personal interview techniques and FP&A insights. Let's begin with the first set of questions, which will focus on risk management and trading. 1. Can you explain your risk management strategy in trading commodities and fixed income? When answering this question, it's essential to demonstrate a clear understanding of risk management principles. You might say, my risk management strategy involves a combination of diversification, setting stop-loss orders, and conducting thorough market analysis. By diversifying my portfolio across various asset classes, I can mitigate the impact of adverse market movements. Additionally, I utilize stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and regularly assess market conditions to adjust my strategy accordingly. 2. How do you maximize returns while minimizing risk? This question requires you to showcase your analytical skills. A suitable response could be, to maximize returns while minimizing risk, I focus on identifying undervalued assets and employing a disciplined investment approach. This includes conducting comprehensive research to understand the fundamentals of potential investments and utilizing quantitative analysis to forecast performance. I also emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced portfolio to reduce exposure to high-risk assets. 3. Describe a time when you had to make a quick trading decision in a fast-paced market. Here, you should provide a specific example from your past experiences. You could say, during a recent market event, I noticed an unexpected drop in a commodity's price due to geopolitical tensions. Recognizing the potential for a rebound, I quickly analyzed the situation, assessed the risk, and decided to enter a position. This decision was based on my understanding of market dynamics and allowed me to capitalize on the subsequent price recovery. Next, we will shift our focus to market understanding and analysis. 1. What is your understanding of market structure for various asset classes? In your response, emphasize your knowledge of different asset classes. For instance, market structure varies significantly across asset classes. For equities, Factors like company performance and economic indicators play a crucial role. In commodities, supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical events, and seasonal trends are pivotal. Understanding these nuances allows me to tailor my trading strategies effectively. 2. How do you stay up to date with market information and events? A solid answer would highlight your proactive approach to information gathering. You might say, I stay updated by regularly following reputable financial news sources, subscribing to market analysis reports, and utilizing social media platforms for real-time updates. Additionally, I engage in online forums and discussions with industry professionals to gain diverse perspectives on market trends. 3. Can you explain a recent market trend and how you would trade on it? This question allows you to demonstrate your analytical skills and market awareness. You could respond, recently I observed a bullish trend in renewable energy stocks driven by increased government incentives. To capitalize on this trend, I would conduct a thorough analysis of key players in the sector, assess their financial health, and consider entering positions in companies with strong growth potential while also monitoring for any market corrections. Moving on to quantitative and analytical skills, we have a few more questions to consider. 1. Can you walk me through your process for analyzing and assimilating market data? A well-structured response could be, my process begins with data collection, where I gather information from various sources, including financial statements, market reports, and economic indicators. I then employ statistical tools to analyze the data, looking for patterns and correlations. Finally, I synthesize my findings into actionable insights that inform my trading decisions. 2. How do you use numerical and quantitative analysis in your trading decisions? Here you can demonstrate your technical expertise. You might say numerical and quantitative analysis is integral to my trading decisions. I utilize statistical models to evaluate historical price movements and identify trends. Additionally, I apply techniques such as regression analysis to forecast future performance, which helps me make informed entry and exit decisions. We will address technical and fundamental analysis, which are critical components of the financial landscape. 1. Can you explain your process for conducting technical analysis on a trading chart? A structured response could be, my process for technical analysis begins with selecting the appropriate chart type, such as candlestick or line charts. I then identify key support and resistance levels, apply technical indicators like moving averages and RSI, and analyze price patterns to forecast potential price movements. 2. How do you incorporate fundamental analysis into your trading decisions? Here, demonstrate your understanding of the interplay between technical and fundamental analysis. You might say, I incorporate fundamental analysis by evaluating a company's financial health, market position, and economic factors. This helps me assess the intrinsic value of an asset, which I then compare with technical signals to make informed trading decisions. 3. Can you walk me through your thought process when analyzing a company's financial statements? This question allows you to showcase your analytical skills. You could respond, when analyzing financial statements, I start with the income statement to assess profitability trends. I then move to the balance sheet to evaluate the company's financial health and liquidity. Finally, I analyze the cash flow statement to understand cash generation and allocation, ensuring a comprehensive view of the company's performance. Some behavioral questions are also a crucial aspect of the interview process, especially Axxela 1. Tell me about a time when you had to adapt to a new market condition or unexpected event. Share a specific instance that illustrates your adaptability. You could say, during the COVID-19 pandemic, I had to quickly adapt my investment strategy as market conditions changed drastically. I shifted my focus to sectors that were resilient during the crisis, such as technology and healthcare, which allowed me to navigate the volatility effectively. 2. Can you describe a situation where you had to work with a team to achieve a trading goal? Highlight your collaborative skills. You might respond, in my previous role, I collaborated with a team to develop a trading strategy for a new product launch. We conducted joint research sessions, shared insights, and ultimately created a cohesive strategy that aligned our individual strengths, leading to successful execution and positive results. 3. How do you handle a losing trade or a period of poor performance? It's important to convey resilience. You could say, I view losing trades as learning opportunities. After a loss, I analyze the decision-making process to identify areas for improvement. This reflection helps me refine my strategies and approach future trades with a more informed perspective. As you prepare for your interview with Axxela Research and Analytics Part Limited, remember that success lies in your ability to convey your knowledge, skills, and passion for the financial services sector. By thoroughly understanding the company's operations and aligning your responses with their expectations, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for the role. Don't forget to check out our Finance Kida channel for more insights on personal interviews and financial planning and analysis, which will further enhance your preparation. Best of luck as you embark on this exciting journey in your career.